Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 meme coins CA by market cap. We're going to start with, because we already did the 30, with RETARDIO, SUNDOG, DEGEN, HOPPY, ND, MUMU, MYRO, SHIB, MAGA, and then we're ending with 1 and number 10. Let's get straight into it. RETARDIO. Here we are for RETARDIO. For RETARDIO, I think we had a target for RETARDIO. Did we? Okay, no, not here. RETARDIO! Wait, let me see. Is it this one? Or is it this one? 316 one. Oh, okay, I think it's the other one. We had a target for RETARDIO. And drumroll please. We have hit the target for RETARDIO. We had a target at 16 cents and we are already there. Ta-da! Thank you very much for playing. Here we go. So the question now we ask is this it for RETARDIO? Could there be a continuation higher, or are we going to be coming back down, right? If we click the eye, this feels to me like a potential rising channel. Rising channels usually break lower. So whenever you see a move towards the upside, right, you want to see this kind of move. Bam! Fast one. Bam! Right? Fast move. This is not exactly fast. To be honest, even this is also not exactly fast. Right? We want this almost like a hockey stick. But this is not. So yeah, but anyway, targets have already been hit. Any entries over here? This should be the exit. So there you go for RETARDIO. Next would be SUNDOG. Okay, looking for SUNDOG. Here we are. SUNDOG is on Justin's Sun. So obviously you call it SUNDOG. For SUNDOG, we have a target fresh out of the oven at 10 cents. The highest that SUNDOG went was actually about 42 cents. So this would be a 70%, I think. Yeah, 75%, more than 75% towards the downside. And we suspect that it might even go a little bit lower to 7 or even 6 cents. So as it stands, yeah, we're buyers bearish for SUNDOG. Another reason why we are also buyers continuing with our bearishness for SUNDOG is because there was a head and shoulders over here, right? If you look very, very carefully, this is a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We collapsed down, right? This is where we broke out from. Pump. There was a big collapse. So yeah, I think we're heading much lower. Head and shoulders are usually bearish reversal chart patterns, and I don't think this is it, right? We might hit 10 cents. We might see a strong rally, but more likely than not, this could be a continuation lower for SUNDOG. So I would preach caution about rushing into a trade for SUNDOG at 14 cents because I think there's more downside. DEGEN. Okay, let's look at DEGEN. Here we are for DEGEN. DEGEN is bro. Come on. Okay, for DEGEN, yeah, no, nothing much. The question we always ask is this like an A, B, C kind of a chart pattern? Or are we going to get an A, B, C, D, E kind of a chart pattern? Yeah, so the thing is, we still don't know how this is going to look like. So we will probably only know once it's like 80, maybe 90% complete. So there's still a long way more to go before calling a potential all-time high for DEGEN from a trading standpoint. HOPPY. Yeah, bro. I think HOPPY is relatively new. So you're not going to get much data on HOPPY. So here we are for HOPPY. HOPPY is, yeah, no, nothing much. Came into the scene in March. No, just up and up and up and up. Any tradable chart patterns? Yeah, probably in the smaller time frames, you might see something. Cup and handle. You see this cup and handle. Right? See this? It's an ascending. Okay, not ascending actually. There's also something like a cup and handle. Anyway, this was also something like a inverse head and shoulders, right? Bam! We went much higher. Let's say, for example, we got in at a breakout. Oh, this will be in 280%. Anything? Yeah, no. I would not be going long here. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, potentially a 4 and a 5 that's about to complete. So stay safe. Stay safe on HOPPY. ND on ETH. Let's look at ND on ETH. Is this the one? Yes. Not on base. It's on ETH. So for ND on ETH, we are consolidating. Danger both ways. This whole thing could turn into a very big head and shoulders. Right? Even this in itself looks like a descending triangle. So, I will preach caution. At the same time, we could go in ABCD over here, and then we break higher. Right, a squeeze, a symmetrical triangle. But as stands, yeah, no, we're not entirely sure. About Andy, it's at 100 million market cap. Can we still rise a little bit higher? Yes, of course we can. So there could be something for Andy, but we need to see it complete first, right? Probably another 80-90% more to go for Andy. MUMU! Where's MUMU? MUMU the Bull. Actually, for MUMU the Bull, I think we had the target as well. And yeah, we hit the target for MUMU the Bull. Right, we had a target for RETARDIO, we had a target for MUMU. Both has already been hit. So for MUMU, there was a squeeze over here. Look at this. A, B, C, D, E. Breakout. Something like a symmetrical triangle. Bam! Hit targets. And now we are kind of in limbo. It's like, okay, bro, what's this? This could turn into a descending triangle. At the same time, this could also be another squeeze as we go higher for MUMU. Absolutely possible, but as it stands, yeah, no, nothing much for us to do at this point of time, except to be patient and to let the whales do their thing and give us more information first before we come to a conclusion. MYRO. Okay, let's take a look at MYRO. Here we are for MYRO. A lot of dogs and cats and cultural coins as well. Here we are for almost said RETARDIO. MYRO. Falling channel. Yeah, so I think this is a breakout. Potential breakout towards the upside. But at the same time, we are under the skinny pink line, which is not great. Once we're under the skinny pink line, we change our bias to bearish. So potentially we could see MYRO hit much lower, right? Noisy area over here, another noisy area over here. So we probably might be heading towards 3 cents. And after that, potentially sub 0.5 maybe? Yeah, sub 1 cent, potentially. So as it stands, right, you can even pull this support line across and call this a big head and shoulders if you want. Big hit. So, yeah, I mean, if we break up, great. We'll catch the continuation here, right, probably. But as it stands, yeah, nope. I would preach caution about going into MYRO at the moment. SHIBTC, SHIBTC. Here we are for SHIBTC. Anything for Shiba Bitcoin? I think there's not much liquidity to 5,000, so I would not recommend that. MAGA. Here we are for MAGA. Liquidity is 3 million. Okay, right. We can do this. Hot. It's going hot. Anything for MAGA? Hey. A, B, C. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. All right. Please just start correcting. And then we consolidate and go even higher. Will we see a correction? I don't know. I would love to see this. All right. A, B, C, D, E, and then pump, we break higher. Completing a very nice symmetrical. That would be awesome. That would be perfect. But as it stands, yeah, no. If anything, I think MAGA is a short though. 1 as it completes with C. 1 is, here we are for 1. Anything for 1? 1 is 87 mil. I think 1 has dropped quite a lot though. From the very top to the very bottom is down 87%. Looks to me like a rising channel. So I suspect we could be heading much lower for 1. So be careful about rushing to a trade too soon for 1. There's nothing much for us to work with. I think we'll probably do another one. Bone. Okay, so for Bone Shiba swap. For Bone Shiba swap, we're actually in a very big accumulation. But we're very close to taking out wave A. Very close. So for the accumulation to be valid, we have to stay above A. Right, this whole thing is potential A, B, C. You see this? D, E. This could be a gigantic rise towards the upside. Right, and we are very close to the bottom. If this is a wave C, right, we're very close to the bottom. Very close. But again, no guarantees. The moment we take this out, right, that's it. The accumulation is gone for Shiba swap. So as it stands, yeah, I will preach caution about rushing in to a trade for Bone Shiba swap. Best case scenario, yes, great. This becomes a C. We go back up, go above the skinny pink line, consolidate above it. That's it. We jump in here, take a move up. Because why? This is confirmation that the bullish trend is on. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias. And as long as we are under the skinny pink line, we remain with a bearish bias. So stay safe and be careful about rushing into a trade, right? Hope you guys have a great weekend ahead of you. See you in the next one.